this one called Down in the Ghetto. None other than the mighty Bounty Killer Cesar. Every day I get up, it's his gunshot, I echo. None of mercy. Well, down in the ghetto where the poor have a thing, and the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. Down in the ghetto where the poor have a thing, and the politician is the guns them a bring. Hey, and the crack and the cock them a support the killing. Me check it out, the whole of them are the same thing. My pocket is weak, my heart is willing. I want a
that weed on to the thugs, the niggas from Cleveland. Gotta smoke till it's all gone. Now we wanna bone, cause a nigga be creepin'. Call all my thugs, all them niggas drown. Call all my thugs, all them niggas more weed. Cause I get no hydro. Got a choke level up with a little bit of smoke in my throat. Can't let a man hot go. Go and broke more thug, get the blood and they get the fuck on me and nail. They spin up a blunt and roll up a blunt when they get B.O.D. They label me killer, drug dealer, they real a nigga crazy weed.
Gotta have that hydro, need me a hit of the tweet, make me drop to my knees. And I gotta get love to the green leaf, steadily spinning that cheese, feeling at ease. Looking on off in the cut now when I'm checking on how this shit sound. In the race, smoked out with my nigga Tay, smoking that tweet till we fall in the
Make up the job to make up me money, we run back and headed for broke. Smoke to the bone, get that bone wrong. Nigga make up and choke with a real low T, slow, strong bone. I gotta see no to toe gone, so choke on. Then on the smoke till it's gone.